XRP has been able to stack a few good days together. I'm liking it. I always like to see green days. I'm sure you guys do as well. And this has all been taking place since this very key thing happened. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about whether there is a correlation between this or not. And I want to talk about something that I think a lot of people are missing right now. The market is preparing for this key thing. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Again, guys, hitting that subscribe button is free. It just keeps you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. We're going to dive into this. So we have seen, again, these three straight days of green candles. Today is starting off in the very same way. So this is a very good thing to see. In fact, XRP is climbing back to our support range of 54 cents. So again, we got to breach this. We got to get back up to our moving averages, and we have the potential of doing this in the short term. Now, specifically what this article is talking about is, hey, this has been a correlation since the co-founder backed Kamala Harris. And frankly, no, it has nothing to do with that. Frankly, what it has to do with is the overall market doing the same thing, rallying, BTC showing a lot of strength, pushing this 20-day moving average. There's a lot of push to try to tackle some of these resistances here in terms of the overall market. And XRP is experiencing a key benefit from this. Now, what's very interesting is that people are talking about this possible XRP BTC squeeze. So XRP has been on the gain versus BTC in terms of dominance for a while here. And a lot of what this has had to do with is the conclusion of the Ripple v. SEC case and waiting for some of this positive sentiment and this buildup in momentum. And that's what XRP has been able to do. And frankly, part of it has been because XRP has been pushed down and been price-wise kind of junk for so long. We're finally seeing some of that good reaction. But this is where things get really interesting. This is not the squeeze that I'm paying attention to. Guys, this is the squeeze that we're waiting for. Just up above where price is at currently, BTC currently at about 57.3 at the time of filming this video, we sit billions and billions of liquidations at 58.8. Right now, and actually for a long time, you guys may have been able to notice that the market has been fighting against a lot of negative sentiment, been fighting against a lot of shorts. And unfortunately, longs have tried to push just a little too hard in the overall crypto market. Okay, we've seen this time and time again when BTC has gone on some of these major corrections. It's because we've had huge long leverage step in and try to basically push the market one direction. And unfortunately, market makers, they catch wind of that. And guess what? They try to correct and push things the opposite way. And now we're seeing this huge resistance or this huge short leverage liquidations just above the price range where we're at. What do you think market makers are going to try to do? They're going to try to push prices into these ranges. Now, this is going to be big for BTC because when BTC starts moving, it's going to fly through these ranges pretty quickly and probably attack about 60K or so. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. But at the same time that BTC is making that move, that's when XRP is going to be trying to make its move to about 56 cents. That's kind of the range that XRP would push to. That's kind of our next range of resistance. You guys can see that was our local support here for actually probably about a week back in middle of August, and then also a week here at the very end of August. So that's XRP's target. But really where things get wild is if BTC breaches 60K and we start to make some of these more significant pushes into the mid 60s. That's where XRP again kind of starts making some of those late September moves like we talked about. Again, a big catalyst for this can be that FOMC meeting. That's where XRP can target this 68 cent range. And frankly, this may be where we have our breakout and trying to set a new higher high here. Instead of fighting and creating basically a triple top at 74 cents, that's where XRP can try to reverse this trend and tackle this long-term trend line like we've talked about. All right. So that's what everybody needs to be watching for. 58.8 is a very key level in terms of BTC. And when things start popping, I want to remind people how fast things move. It gets very crazy in this market very quickly, and it can happen at the flip of a switch. I appreciate you guys as always. Again, if you haven't checked out Margex, there is a link in the description below. Definitely feel free to check that out. You can earn up to $10,000 in trading and deposit bonuses. There's no KYC. And also be sure to take part in their huge Caspa airdrop that they have going on right now. $500,000 worth of Caspa, guys. Appreciate you. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.